And you are now tuned into another end of day post wave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave price trigger reports. And the first chart we have up today is the gold futures. As you can see here, gold futures is hanging in there, trying to overcome yesterday's rout. And it's still, which is the weird part, the bears are still technically in control of this market. You are still in a bear market, believe it or not. You just have this very wide sideways trading pattern. So the bears let the market rally and then sell it, and that's what you see going on here. It just continues to be that way until it isn't. So right now, the bears are trying to turn this thing around. Right now, you got your trend line above the Kumo cloud, price action above the trend line, and that's what the market is trying. It's trying to turn here. It's trying to get something going. So narrow range inside day from yesterday's washout. We'll see if they can keep it going. Taking a look now at silver. Silver is a little bit different here. Not too much is going on, as you can see here. The market is still consolidated within the Kumo cloud. Price action isn't doing a whole lot, and you're still bearish here as well. Moving right along, taking a look at crude oil. All right, this is what the market's doing despite what you've been hearing. The bears are still in control of the crude oil. Now, we had an inside type of a day due to contract rolling over and things like that. So we got a new front month, and that front month is a lot further down than the last one. We were at $93. Right now, the market is down. It's trading at $89. So, yeah, big differential there. And right now, the bears are still in control for now. The bulls are going to try to give them a run for the money. But you did hit these new highs. You really haven't had a correction in a long time. So I think one is coming. I think this is going to be sold. If you take a look at OIH, which is the ETF that tracks the crude oil, you can see here the breakout to the upside on the OIH. Now, I do believe, based on how the futures trade tonight, this is a gap. All right. So now that the futures is trading lower, will OIH gap down enough to fill and close this gap? Now, it hasn't had a correction in a few weeks. All right. The last one we had was here. Nice little downtrend channel, tested the trend line and bounced right off of it, rallied right off of it, which is what you normally will expect in a very healthy bull market. And that's what's been going on. So the bull is still raging on OIH, but looking a little bit not so bullish on the futures aspect. All right, so here's what the dollar is doing so far. All right, so on the daily chart, the dollar is in a downtrend channel. It's in a corrective state. It has been in a bull market for a while. It's trying to hang on to the last drop of the bull market, even though it's coming off. It's still coming off. So we'll see if the trend line will be defended by the bulls. Will they come in here and get enough energy to find some type of a floor? Because right now, the market still has the complexion of a bull market, but it's looking pretty weak up here. Very weak up here. All right, so just keep that in mind. You're still bullish, but the market is coming off. Price action is coming off. All right, next up, you have bonds. Here's what's going on in your bond market. All right, so we have a primary rally alert for tomorrow's trading in bonds. Looks like the market may have finally put in a floor. So TLT is in play in the bond market for tomorrow. And the bond futures should be setting it off in the overnight to confirm that as well. So the overhead trend line resistance at around the $142 mark is in play. So that's at least a probable $7 run. So that's nothing to sniff at. That's a nice little decent run there. All right, let's see. Let's take a look at the euro. We saw that the dollar has been coming off, but look at this euro. The euro is still not doing very well. It's still in a bear market. All right, all these bear market rallies are getting sold. Every time the euro rallies, the bears come in and smack it down. Here they smacked it down. All right, you got your warning alerts when it was going sideways, saying, look, bearish positions are coming into play. Then the market popped up and the bulls were laughing, saying, ha ha, the market went higher. You were wrong. Nope. And then look at this drop. So you got the alerts back here. You could have built something, and then boom, the market comes right down. And then rallies right back up and then gets smacked right back down again. So it's trying to overcome. It's trying to build a base for a bottom and get an uptrend channel with enough energy to pop. But right now, it's threatening to slow down. You got more selling coming in right now. So the euro is still bearish, still weak. And you got the dollar also coming off around the same time. So it's very interesting what we're seeing here with the correlations breaking down in the various markets. And last but not least, here's your Bitcoin. All right. Bitcoin futures has a secondary crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. So I do believe that the market has bumped its head at the bottom of the Kumo cloud, and we could be seeing the market come back down to test the 35,000-ish level. This is a bearish pointer back here from January the 24th. We hit a new low, and I think the market's about to come down and test and take that out, ladies and gentlemen. So there you have it. All right, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Let's see here. Oh, those. Yeah, well, I'm in the process of recording some of those now, as a matter of fact. I'm going to be putting those into our Discord. All right, so that's going to be a lot of the premium content, but I will also be uploading some of it to YouTube as well. Can't forget about YouTube. So we will definitely be coming with a lot more content here, and I will be going in on a lot of things, and we'll keep it pushing. But yeah, there's going to be a lot of great content too on the Discord. So that's the more of the premium content, but I'm working on it. I'm recording some stuff, so it's going to be fun. Just hang in there. I appreciate the love. All right, you guys, you know what it is. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.